What's going on, Brooklyn and beyond? So now, I think it's time of the year. Time to change the air filter on my 2014 Chevy Equinox. And hopefully I got the right bit for this. Does this fit? Okay, that fits. And I'm recording with the DJI Action 4, and the microphone is the Boya Mini. All right, hopefully I got the right filter. And so this should be quick. All right, and let me put the screw somewhere safe so I don't lose it. You know, when I can remember what this magnetic mount is, I'll put that down below too. But right now I have the Action 4 on a magnetic mount onto the hood of the car. This is a tight one here. Tight space, not tight screw. Okay. One more, right? One more. Okay. Okay. Yeah, my bits aren't magnetic, so I can't pick up the screws with them. All right. 4 screws. Put that down. I think I gotta turn this to get this out, right? Or does it just come straight out? Or do I even need to take it out? Let's see. Can I just lift this up? All right, I can just lift it up. Gotta make sure that these 2 filters actually match. This is the aftermarket one, so it's not the same color as the OEM, but I gotta make sure it's at least the same size. And here we go. Ooh. Okay, yeah. All right. It's the same size. But before I change it, let me take this down for you real quick. Of course, you gotta empty out the trash that's in here. Plastic, leaves, receipts. Oh, maybe I'll vacuum it out real quick. Let me go get the vacuum. You know what? I just remembered. I gotta turn on the car to plug in the vacuum. So I'll just remove all of it with my hand. Not that much. I just don't want to get, change the filter and then have all this new gunk line it up. That's good enough. All right, let's see if I sit this back in now. Sits nice. All right, get the back down. All right, we roll up my sleeves so I don't mess it up. Straighten this back out. All right, start with the easiest screw first, right here. Okay, then I'll go with the back just to make sure everything is lined up straight. Okay, so they're lined up straight. Now I'll go in with the tightest one. Now tighten this one down. Okay. Oops, almost lost the bit. All right, last one. Okay. And then I'll go back and tighten the first two. Now the last one here, and we are done. That's it. Changing the air filter, 2014 Chevy Equinox, thanks to my Boya Mini and the DJI Action 4. Brooklyn salute. I am out. Now I think I gotta work on, next thing I gotta work on is probably the spark plugs. They sit right under here. 4 cylinders, shouldn't be so hard, but that's not today. Probably not even this month. All right, Brooklyn salute. I'm out.